Hi everyone. Before I go any further, I just have to say, this is the best damn $2,000 I ever spent. Welcome to week 3 of the 2020 Quarantine Virtual Potluck. Thank you everyone for continuing to send your contributions. We're on the up above 30 videos so far. And I just want to encourage you, keep sending them. Everyone seems to be enjoying them. They seem to enjoy making them. I seem to enjoy editing them. Gives me something to keep my mind off of all the other shit that's going on. Anyhow, we continue to get things from around the world. All the way from the Canary Islands, Spain, we have not one but 2 videos that are made by Lori, including this hummus avocado lunch. From Atlanta, Loretta made her Szechuan tofu chicken. Brian provided dry martinis for a happy hour. And yours truly dusted off his high school French to make some delicious French onion soup. So, to any parents out there, I want to encourage you to maybe include them, make a cooking video. It's a fun thing to get the kids involved in. We've had altogether 3 so far. Take your child to work days. We had Hannah, who made roast potatoes with her dad. Then Johnny made grape Kool-Aid with his grandpa. And then my youngest son, Trevor, he made a couple of protein shakes with my newest little granddaughter, Genevieve, in tow. In fact, Trevor wasn't the only family member going along with this. My oldest son, Joel, did some foraging through his fridge, and just this morning, I posted a video of him making his taco white trash hash. I hope you're all staying safe, remembering to wash those hands and don't touch your face. Use precautions, use a face mask now. I would just like to take this moment to give a special shout out to our friends Sue Schneider and to Tina Gloss-Vanel. They both made a set of masks and sent them to Patty and I. It means a lot, especially with her going through chemo now, and we have to be extra special careful. In fact, Tina's contribution to the potluck was a how-to video showing how you can make your own mask. That's about it. I just want to take one last moment for a little shameless self-promotion. If you're in the Detroit metro area and watch TV, you just might see a wall-side windows commercial with me playing the part of a sad, lonely grandpa. I think this is gonna... What are you doing?